You all know that children's storybooks generate thousands of sales, and that means thousands of dollars every single month. So if you sell on Etsy or on Amazon, especially if you focus on kids' books, you absolutely must sell children's stories if you want to reach those big numbers. And if we go to Etsy right now and look at some real examples, you'll see something interesting. When we search for children's stories, we find many beautiful, creative books. And the best part? They are all making solid sales. This is not just one lucky seller. This is a pattern. Now, if we take a closer look at this specific story, we'll notice something very important. This story is currently in 20 carts. That means it's not just selling well. People are actively planning to buy it. The seller is pricing it at $3.40, which is a very smart digital pricing strategy. And when we look closely at the images of this story, we can clearly see that it's designed more for girls. The colors, the style, the character design, everything is targeted carefully. And here's something very important. The seller also created a short promotional video for this story, and this increases sales on Etsy big time. Video builds trust. It makes the product feel real. That's why it's extremely important to create a video for your story. And today, I'm going to teach you exactly how to create that video, and the story itself, and the cover in a very simple way. So make sure you watch this video until the end so you can learn everything step by step, easily and professionally, and then you can judge the results yourself. Now, if we look at the interior layout of the story, you'll notice something smart. On the left side, there is an illustration, and on the right side, there is the written story text. And if we move over to Amazon, we'll also see that children's stories generate their owners strong monthly sales there as well. That's why, like I told you at the beginning of this video, you need to focus on creating children's storybooks if you want consistent, high sales numbers. But here's the big question. How can I create a professional children's story easily without jumping between design websites and AI tools? And how can I create a promotional video for that story to use on Etsy? The answer is actually very simple. In today's video, we're going to use the amazing platform Kittl. We've used it many times in previous videos because it supports modern AI tools and powerful design tools all in one place. It's extremely easy to use for designing children's books, digital products, t-shirts, and much more. And I also want to thank the Kittl team because they gave all my followers an exclusive 25% discount on all plans, including the yearly plan. When you click the link I'll leave for you in the pinned comment and in the description, and use the code MOINCOMEYT. Let me show you exactly how we're going to do this step by step. Now we're going to create a new design inside Kittl with dimensions 8.5 by 11. This is the standard size for children's books, and it works perfectly for both Etsy and Amazon. Now we're at the first step. We want to write the title of the story. So I'm going to head over to the chat section. And here's the beautiful part. Kittl supports chatting with the latest AI models, and it's powered by ChatGPT. That means you're not just designing, you're creating with real AI intelligence built in. All I have to do to write the story is ask it to create a story for girls ages 4 to 5 made up of 10 pages. And within seconds, it generates all the content for the 10 pages, and it writes a professional story title as well. That means with Kittl, you don't even need to think too hard. You simply ask, and it delivers exactly what you want. You can literally create your entire book in just minutes, and with high professionalism. So stay with me until the end, because you're going to be amazed by the final story and the video we create together. Kittl now supports professional video creation as well, and I'll show you that very soon. Now, after it writes the full story, I'll ask it to generate a prompt for each page, because I want to create an image for every single page. And again, within seconds, it professionally writes the image prompt and also shows the story content for that page. Let's design the first page now. I'll copy the prompt and paste it below page 1. You can choose the style of the page. For example, I'm going to choose a cartoon style because I want this story to look like a cartoon book for kids. Then you select the AI model that will generate the image. Let's use Nano Banana Pro because in my opinion, it's one of the best AI image generation models available right now. After that, we choose the image dimensions. Let's select a 2:3 ratio. Then we choose how many images we want to generate. At the beginning, I usually select 4 images so I can compare them and pick the best one. Now I click Generate, and within seconds, it creates 4 amazing images. Honestly, I'm impressed with the results. Every single one looks better than the other. All we need to do now is keep the page we like the most, delete the others, and drag the chosen image into Artboard 1. And just like that, this becomes the first page of our story. Now let's create the second page of our story. This second page will face the first page, and it will contain the story text for page 1. I'll right-click, choose Add Artboard, and create a new page. Since I want to add the text for page 1 into this second page, I'll go back to the chat section, copy the text for page 1, then select Add Text from the bottom menu, and paste it here. We can easily adjust it. For example, let's make the text slightly smaller and center it in the middle of the page like this. Then we can change the font style. And what I really like about Kittl is that it has a huge library of beautiful fonts. This is something I personally loved. We can also change the text color and customize it however we want, but for now, I'll keep it black like this. And just like that, now we have the first illustrated page, and the second page contains the text for page 1. There is something very important before we move to the next page, and you need to pay close attention to this. It is extremely important that the characters used on the first page of the story are the same characters used throughout the rest of the book. This is critical in children's stories. Consistency builds quality and professionalism. And this is exactly why I use Kittl and why I love using it for creating children's storybooks, because it supports this feature perfectly. So how do we do that? It's very simple. All we have to do is click on the purple dot next to the first page and choose Image Board. When we do that, it adds a new page, but this new page is connected to the first page and uses it as a reference. That means when I go back to chat and copy the prompt for page 2, and then generate a new image for page 2, it will create a brand new scene, but it will keep it connected to the first image. So it will use the same characters from page 1, and that is absolutely amazing. Now let's look at the result together. Look at that. It generated the scene for page 2, but it didn't change the characters at all. The same girl, the same butterfly, the same owl, even the same environment and location. This feature is incredible, and I personally love it. With this tool, you can create beautiful, professional stories without changing the characters or breaking the visual consistency. Now, let's create page 4. I'll simply copy page 2 and drag it next to page 3 like this. Then I'll go to the chat section, copy the text for page 2, and paste it here, just like that. And now, I've created 4 pages of my story very easily and smoothly. Next, let's quickly move to page 3 of the story. All I need to do is copy the prompt for page 3, go back to page 1, which I'm using as the main visual reference for the entire book, click the purple dot on the right side of the page, and add an image board again. Now let's generate this image and see the result together. And here's another very important feature in Kittl. You can design more than one page at the same time. That saves a lot of time when building full books. So let's also design page 6, which will contain the text for page 3. All I have to do is copy page 3, place it next to page 4 like this, go back to chat, copy the text for page 3, and paste it in the center of the page like this. Now let's look at the result for the third page image. As you can see, It looks amazing. And again, it did not change the characters. The story characters are completely consistent. Same clothes, same appearance, same details, exactly as I requested. This is what makes your book look professional, polished, and ready to sell. And just like that, you keep going until you finish designing all the interior pages of your amazing story. Now, we want to create a cover for this book. Like I told you, this video is completely comprehensive. We are creating everything related to the book so you can become a true professional in making children's stories. All I have to do is choose one of the interior pages. Let's say this 4th page. I really loved it. And after that, it's very simple. We go to the text section and you'll find hundreds of beautiful, ready-made text styles that will help us write the book title on the cover in a very professional way. For example, I liked this font, so I'll place it right here at the top of the cover page, and then I'll type the book title. You can edit it easily, change the color, the size, everything. And you can even change the font style itself. Just click on it, and you'll find hundreds of amazing fonts. Try it yourself. And just like that, we've finished designing the cover in a beautiful and very easy way. And this is the exact method I personally use. Now, as I promised you at the beginning of the video, we want to create a short video that we can use on Etsy and on social media to promote our book and increase our sales. So how are we going to do that? Like I told you before, Kittl now supports video creation in an incredible way, and I mean that seriously. For example, I want to create a video for this 2nd page. All I have to do is click on the purple dot on the side of this 2nd page, and this time I will add a video board. After that, I will write my prompt here that I want to turn this image into a professional video. Then we choose the video dimensions. I'll leave it at 9 by 16. After that, we choose the video duration. You'll see that it supports videos up to 8 seconds, but I'll leave it at 6 seconds. Then you can choose the AI model that will generate the video. You'll find that it supports many models, including Kling Video 3, which is a very modern model, meaning Kittl continuously updates this list. Let's try generating the video with this model. And I'll also leave the exact prompt I used to create this video down below in the description. And in just seconds, look at how amazing this video is. I am truly impressed with the result. It is hundreds of times better than many of the videos you see on Etsy, and you can judge for yourself. After that, once we have fully created the book, designed the cover, and even created a promotional video for one of the pages, and you can create a video for every page to increase your sales in a powerful way, I truly hope you benefited from this video. All you need to do is download the book as a PDF and also download the video as an MP4. I hope this helped you, and I'll see you in a new video. Goodbye.